What is up? Welcome back to another Neglect Media banger. Today I'm in the shop. You'll notice Silvia's pulled in front today. And you also notice this box that's off screen right over here. The box that's on screen. So today we're doing a little special project. These taillights are cool. They're really nice shape for OEM. But for like a year and a half, I have had 50-50 clears. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to install tail lights for your 240SX or your Nissan Silvia. And I've got to do it twice because I've got these clears here and I've got some black ones there for the 240, but we're not going to run the black ones. The black ones look tacky. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take that off the tripod and I'm going to teach you what you need, how to do it. I'm going to get the bolts. It's really easy. I'll come grab you guys. I have a tripod now. It's pretty awesome. So what you're going to do, basically, you've got your Silvia 240, something that's a Nissan that probably doesn't run exactly right, and that's basically your 240 or your Silvia. So, also check it. New key. So I'm gonna grab this toolkit out. This is a really nice time when you have a shop light like I don't have. Anyways, you pull this plastic out if your 240 or your Silvia still has it, your Nissan still has it. There's like these little fake screws, and then I think everything's like an 8mm to get this off, and then I think the tail lights are like an 8mm. So I will teach you guys everything you need to do, the right way to do it. You need seam sealer or silicone. I'm gonna use seam sealer just because I think it's better. But I'm gonna take that plastic trim off. I'll probably time lapse this. You need a Phillips for this. Any size Phillips will be fine. Just pick one. Just find one that you like and just take it. My trusty Phillips today, slightly worn, but it does a job. All right, here's the time lapse. I'm gonna get this plastic pulled out and then I'll update you guys. Vape break. This is my girlfriend, she's camera shy. All right, let's get back to work. And we're back. So now, plastic should just come out. So she's gonna disappear for a second. Plastic piece. Look at this. You know how many cars, how many 240s don't have this? Do you know how much money these plastic trim pieces are? There's so much money. And this one is just tethered, and it's so sad because they don't reproduce these. But I have a full entire trunk liner. I wish I had the carpet one because I do have carpet in this car. Okay, I'm gonna confirm that this is an 8mm. Our socket, hopefully you guys can see this. But let's double check to see if these are 8mm. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the nuts off. Get yourself one of these little magnetic trays. Literally, so awesome, okay? Get one, literally stick it, don't stick it to your like paint, you can stick it to the inside of your trunk. There's 8 bolts. And then the rest just hold on to your boom, that tray is coming in clutch. You guys put these back on, don't over tighten them, they're super tiny, you'll break part of your tail light. I'm gonna teach you guys how to take out one tail light so I can make sure that I'm teaching you right. So if you followed along at this point, you've gotten all your bolts out. I don't see any more. There should be, like I said, there's 2, 4, 6, 8mm bolts. You're gonna need a long socket, one of the screws is long. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this out of the way. 9 bolts. There's 9 bolts. And this is why you guys need a shop helper. Oh, my butt cracks not just hanging out and stuff on. You see it?
No, just your back.
Oh, sorry guys. Mess it out. I don't know if I can pull it out to show you guys, but if you can see it, here's the white connector. If you can't find that on your taillight, hire a professional to change your taillight. Anyways, got all the bolts off, and now it doesn't come out. This is the part that scares me, and this is why I have never done this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna need an extension cord in my case and a heat gun. The reason for this is these are sealed. And so what you have to do careful. I don't really want to get my paint hot is what I'm scared of doing. But you just kind of heat up the housing. Don't get close to your paint. Just do it on the light itself. Try this. Let's see if that got hot enough. Housing's pretty warm. So then, theoretically, see that pop out? There we go. There it goes. Okay, it doesn't take much heat for these guys. So once that comes out of there, I would highly recommend pushing on the back of the housing. I've seen a lot of guys that like to pry it out with scissors or with a screwdriver. Just gonna break stuff. See, this is why we needed that heat gun. See all this adhesive? This is factory adhesive that comes on the light. So we're gonna make a note of that because our new taillights need sealant, and that's why we have our seam sealer. So this goes all the way around. This is your factory sealant. You'll notice all this junk. We're gonna need to clean that really good. You'll notice all this junk here. All of it. It's really sticky. It's really sticky stuff, but it's really good. We're not gonna get rid of these either. And actually, 2 of those bolts do stay. They're for the fascia piece, so part of that's incorrect, but I'm gonna get the rest of the seam sealer off. I'm gonna set this to the side. Get one of these in. We're gonna do one at a time, and we're gonna test it. And the reason we're doing that is in case we mess something up, it's easier to take it apart than putting the whole car back together and then finding out later on that, hey, I messed up. That stuff is yucky. Alright, got it. Just gotta try and get all this off. Take off these gloves. There's an additional step. This is just the housing. It doesn't even have the internal component. I'm gonna peel this plastic off. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. Peel this plastic off here. These feel very cheap compared to them. These actually have a seam on them. The old one. Here's the new one. You need to put this centerpiece. Comes out of this light and sit it on my mat. The whole assembly comes out of the back. This piece goes like this in here. Pull this plastic off of this. Couldn't get a smooth deal.
Wow.
Darn. So, the seal does not work. Let's use that freaking rubber grommet thing. There's no harness, there's a little ley line that you can follow. So that's what we're gonna do. And then in these ones that I kind of busted up, we're gonna put some seam sealer in there too and just hope that that works. Yeah. Let me find a seam sealer, I'll be right back. And we're back. Now we're gonna put seam sealer around it. It's like crazy insane, but I'm gonna do probably 2 passes. Wow, this stuff lays like butter. Take this, I'm gonna pick it up. And this seam sealer is gonna kind of evenly spread it around. There we go, much better now. It actually fits now.
And they go on. Oh no.
Careful getting that 3M on your hands. I really wish I hadn't got it all over my hands. There we go. You know what that calls for? Vape break. Anyways.
Cheers. Not sponsored.
Sponsored by Views. Views, send me a sponsorship. Oh, unlimited pods for life? Yeah, for sure. Now,
Oh no!
is that seam sealer? Same process. You guys know what you're doing now. Don't over tighten them. It's bad news for you and for me, apparently. and only take out the short one. So there's actually only about 6 bolts. What is up? Welcome back to another Neglect Media banger. Today I'm in the shop. What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
We are back. So basically, to recap, did get the lights on. They look amazing. You need 8mm socket. That little metal thing will help you out quite a bit. They turned out really good. My GoPro did end up dying, but that's the end result. And I'll try and do it before and after. But appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will have more content for you shortly. So with that being said, peace out, yo.